Hello everyone, I wanted to review this product. I like to review things that I feel are deserving. This is a wearable camera, and there's a lot of them out there, but I chose this one for several reasons. One, the price. I think it's a good price for what you get and for the quality. This one you can wear on your shirt. It has a clip. And then this is a magnet, and this clips right there. It has these little, you just pinch this and this comes out so that you can undo it if you choose. It comes in a well-presented little box. It's a nice box. But I like to teach each of my grandchildren how to ride horses, and I think it's a good idea to also video it so I can play back to them so that they can see how good they did or things that they need to improve. Lots of different things, playing baseball, learning how to ride a bike, just going on a trip and filming things even as you're going down the road. Or, I mean, you can hold it out the window instead of being connected to your phone and you not getting to see what the phone's seeing. So this way you can see it and video it. But there's just all kinds of different things, teaching kids all kind of things through their lives and being able to video it and then go back and show them not only what they did wrong, but all the things that they did good. And like I said, the quality is very good, very crisp pictures. It's easy to transfer. This isn't heavy, it's very light for a magnet, and I'm just thrilled. So I wanted to share that, and I'm sure you can think of a lot of other different things to use it for. It's just endless. But I highly recommend it, and I think you'll like it just as much as I do. Thank you.
Okay, here's the honest review, and this is actual footage from my kitchen, very well lit, of the $60 Amazon body cam. And they say this is 4K. You know, God love them for saying that, but as I like to say to people, there are varying levels of 4K resolution. There are 4,000 lines of silk, which is going to be very clean. There are 4,000 lines of thread, which is going to be blurry and fuzzy, which is kind of like what we're seeing now. And there are 4,000 lines of hair, which is very sharp as well. So we're looking at basically thread quality. The audio quality, you can hear it. This has not been altered in any way. This is straight out of the camera. It is what it is. Also, just a little note, if you have a Macintosh, which I do, they say you can go in and alter the Unix file on the storage disk, which will then change that little watermark you're seeing up in the corner. If you plan on using this for any kind of forensic evidence, well, the other side is definitely going to argue, why does this say January 17th, 2025, and you can't change that if you have a Mac. So, that being said, jitter response, not impressive at all. I would say there's no image stabilization at all in this thing. But again, this isn't uncommon. This happens a lot with overseas products. They, have a beautiful little page and crystal clear pictures, and they do whatever they can do to sell you a product. But at the end of the day, what you're getting is, kind of like a little toy camera. I guess it would be good if you're just trying to prove that someone's dog came running at you from across a field. But other than that, best of luck to you. Anyway, wanted to give you an honest review, and now you knew. That's it. Thanks a lot.
Get out of space. Yeah, we gotta have this space plant. Whoa, there's a tree branch. Yeah. Look at the leaves on the great tree. And that tree. That's where we're going. The cliff is good. Look at that bird, this one. Look at this play. Yeah.
Very peaceful.
Yeah. I like this place. Did you text Miss Kelly because of Lila's legs?
Yes, she said yes.
Here's a sample of video from the camera.
I gotta see what's blinking.